मैं स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा दो मेरे दोस्त जिनको मैं बहुत सालों से जानता हूं एंड हैव अ लिटिल चिट चैट विद देम। आई एम गोइंग टू बी डिसेंट इन दिस शो, फैमिली शो है, कलर्स ने मुझे बताया है थोड़ा समझदारी से काम करना। सो आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल दादी ऑन स्टेज एंड द ग्रेट राहुल द्रविड़। Everyone put your hands together for both of them. Good to have you, man. राहुल कहाँ पे है? इसलिए रन आउट होता है बार बार। Good to have you. Great honor to have you here, man. Genuinely, thank you IPL and thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to be able to stand next to two of the greatest people in Indian cricket and in the world perhaps. Thank you. Thank you very much. ये दोनों जो हैं शराफत की मूर्ति हैं। इनसे कोई भी बद अखलाकी या बदतमीजी से मैं बात नहीं कर सकता। दोनों बहुत सीनियर हैं, बहुत शरीफ हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं। तो पहले मैं राहुल से थोड़ी सी बात करूंगा, फिर दादा के साथ मैं थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल हो सकता हूं क्योंकि इनके साथ हमारी चलती रहती है झगड़ा, प्यार, मोहब्बत। राहुल द्रविड़ देखो, हमसे क्रिकेट सीखे ना सीखे, गाना तो सीख ही गया है किंगफिशर से। तो आई एम गोना मेक यू डू दैट ट्यून आई बीन हियरिंग ऑन आवर टीवी। ऊ ला 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 ए हो, ऊ ला 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 ए हो।
Do it again. So
I was hoping you'll tell me because I'm a bad singer, Rahul. Ooh la 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 la. Hey, Vijay, is it okay? Can you do it or you also can't? Let me see if Vijay can do this, man. Come on. Ooh la 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 la. Hey, oh. Come on. Ooh la 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 la. Oh. Yeah. Ooh la 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 la. Oh. Next one. Ooh la 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 la. Oh. तो पहले बोला सेकंड वाली विजय।
अरे यार फर्स्ट वाली रिपीट होती है भाई।
Okay, we go. Ooh la 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 la. Oh.
Hey Shahrukh, you ever heard of multiplication?
No.
That's
only,
it.
Only I've understood.
Just keep
I've understood only
ooh
big
la la la
businessmen
la la ho.
Ooh la 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 la. Oh.
You got it.
Thanks, Vijay. We really appreciate this, man. Thank you very much for your kindness and saying we got it. Thank you very much. I'm the bloody best actor in this country and you're telling me got it.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. And thank you for making Rahul sing. And we love you, Vijay. Thanks a lot. Everybody, let's hear it for Vijay and the Royal Challengers.
लड़बो खड़बो जीतबो।
वो मैं दादा के साथ करने वाला हूँ अभी। दादा प्लीज अपने ओनर के लिए भी गा दो। And let's try and sing it better than Vijay and Rahul, okay? Korbo lorbo jeetbo re, korbo lorbo re, jeetbo re, jeetbo re. Okay, you know,
we
remove
the jeetbo part.
Huh?
We remove the jeetbo part maybe.
Jeetbo. Okay.
They're going to win it the next year.
मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ 7 साल बाद देखना कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स को। I want to ask you this question. Have you been speaking and been in touch with Greg Chappell lately?
No, not after 2007 because I'm scared every time I speak to him, he'll tell me it's time for you to go.
Okay. Have you? But you have no. I mean, but you love him.
I like him. He was a good man. He still is, but I haven't met him after 2007.
Oh yeah. Can I ask you more embarrassing questions about Greg Chappell or let it be?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. But I'm just joking with him. He's a great guy, great captain, great fighter, and whatever little issues Dada's had with the world, I think one of the nicest things is that he ignores it all, keeps it focused, and that is a mark of a great man. So thank you, Dada, for being here. And both of you, actually, I just want to tell you one thing, कि दोनों के दोनों ये शराफत की जो मूर्तियां हैं यहाँ पर, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, एकदम शरीफ से हैं, बिल्कुल युवराज की तरह नहीं हैं। पर आई वांट टू आस्क यू बोथ कि आप दोनों को कल्चर के बारे में बहुत मालूम है, आपने हमारे देश में कल्चर को आगे बढ़ाया है, सारे बच्चे जवान लंग के आप लोगों को अपना आइकॉन मानते हैं। आई वांट टू आस्क यू अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इंडियन कल्चर। वुड यू, व्हाई डू गर्ल्स पुट सिंदूर व्हेन दे गेट मैरिड?
Not many put nowadays, but whoever does it, I think it's to keep the husband away from sin. Sin Sidur.
Oh wow, that's very smart. And I'm going to ask you कि 7 फेरे क्यों होते हैं शादी के अंदर?
ताकि 7 जन्म तक साथ रहें
और प्यार की बरसात रहे। See guys, listen to, you know, this is the genuine Indian culture. And I'm not going to cheapen both of them and embarrass them on stage. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to call these two very, very nice, well-behaved ladies who are going to come on stage. मैं दादा और राहुल को, दोनों को, Jammy को, he's called Jammy. Dad used to work in the Kisan factory, right?
Yeah, he was the manager at Kisan Products.
Kisan Products, yeah. So he's been called Jammy. So Jammy and Dada, I'm going to make them dress up two girls in an Indian attire. And let's see if they're able to do this. So I'm going to call the two girls. Can we have the two young ladies for Dada and Jammy? Please come. And let me just tell you, with all due respect, कि मैं दादा और राहुल को इतना सीनियर मानता हूँ, इनकी एडवाइस के बिना कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. They chose the girls. This is Madonna, and this is Samantha. He is married to Vijayta. He is married to Donna. दोनों को बोलना कि शाहरुख भाई ने भेजा है इनको, right? What you have to do is, they have these pom-poms with them. I want to ask Lalit also. Lalit, what are these pom-pom? Pom-poms in North India means, you know, like horns, pom-pom-pom. So these pom-poms, I'm going to take this away from you girls. Please stand here. And I've got these Indian dresses for both of them. Please stand next to Dada. It's not nice now when a young girl calls you Dada. Don't call him Dada. You call him... what do you want to call you?
Saurabh.
प्यार से आपको लड़कियां क्या बुलाती हैं? Sorry?
Dada.
दादा ही? And राहुल, प्यार से लड़कियां आपको क्या बुलाती हैं? बता दो यार.
The wall.
हाँ? The wall. Okay, this is the wall and this is the Dada. Let's find out how much Dadagiri and wallness both of them have. I've got these Indian clothes. There are saris here and there are some jewelry. We'll put on some music. Can you dress up these both ladies in saris?
Before we do this,
No, you can't take off the
we
clothes.
have to be clear that nowadays marriages happen in the net, on the phone. So hope there's something not happening here.
See, at IPL, anything can happen. Take a chance. Anything, absolutely anything can happen at IPL. So give it a shot. If you get married, we'll celebrate it with the family of IPL. So don't worry.
The one's enough.
One's enough.
One's enough.
Hey,
Getting
Donna,
married
can I
once
call
is
Donna
enough.
and tell her what you're saying?
You can. I'm married for too long.
Okay. So there's no chance. He's got no risk. He's going to dress up this young lady and he's going to dress up this young lady. Start the music. Please give the young gentleman the clothes. Come on. Let's see if you can tie a sari. Come on, give them some encouragement. Tell them, come on, quickly. Don't be shy. Go. Have you noticed? They know the exact piece of jewelry going where it should go. Seems they've taken it off enough times. And whoever does better will get a prize.
Now, where do I put this?
Wherever you feel like, Dada.
Where do I put this?
Your fetish, not mine. Go for it.
हाय मैं हो गया तेरा साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगता मैं ते मर जावा लग जा
What? No, that's not how it is done, Rahul. You know it. Don't try to fool us. I can help you, come. Hold it.
You're the pro. You're the pro.
I am an expert at sari thing, man. Come on. Hold it fast and run now.
This is the easier way.
Oh!
This is the easier way.
Dada knows it. It's Bengali guys, man. Okay, darling, this is it. Alright, guys, come on. Everybody, I want you guys to vote for this. Have they done a good job? Who's done a better job? Everyone, clap for Dada. Is his sari better? And is Rahul's sari better? कमाल है हमारे इंडियन क्रिकेट का नाम तुम लोगों ने कितना रोशन किया है दोस्तों है Okay, but thank you so much for being such sports. Thank you, Samantha. You have to go back to Bengal with him, Madonna, and Samantha, you have to go back with Rahul. So please take them back to their seats and have a good time. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have made us very proud and very, very happy. Thank you so much, Dada. Thank you, darling.